Mark?
Yes, good evening, Lala.
Ayan, good evening sa iyo, love. Sige, kwentuhan mo na ako, mahal ko. Anong mapaglilingkod ko sa iyo? At napatawag po sa Usapang LDR.
Yes, may share lang akong story about my life and my, I can say, an ex-wife.
Okay.
Kasi before I entered sa relationship, na-meet ko siya na meron na rin cargo. I mean, meron na siyang anak. And accepted ko naman siya dahil mahal ko siya. And then, later on, nagkaroon kami ng sariling anak. And nag-civil wed na kami.
Okay.
Nagkaroon kami civil wedding. And then, tumakbo naman normally yung life namin. We have some problems normally, financial, argumentations. And then, till the time, nagkaroon na siya ng group chats and social media, influences. And then, to the point na humantong na sa naging cold. Tapos, nire-reason out na may mali ako, may mga pagkukulang ako, meron akong mga hindi inaayos sa buhay namin. I may say na may pagkukulang ako sa communication, pero ako lang yung nag-work, siya yung nasa housewife. So, blame niya lahat ng mga pagkukulang ko. Marami siyang sinasabing pagkukulang ko. To the point na meron na siyang nakikilala sa group, social media, and then naging cold na nga po, nakikipag-going out with the group. Till nakikita ko na sa social media na may mga kasama siya at humantong na rin sa pag-iwalayan. Gusto niya makipag-iwalay.
Okay.
Mga treatments siya sa akin, hindi na ganun ka-healthy na nakikita ng child namin, which I don't like.
Okay.
Kaya,
dito sa mga moments na to, na sabi mo nagiging cold na siya, she started going out with new friends, new sets of friends, new acquaintances. What did you do, love? Aside from sitahin siya about it or maramdaman yung coldness niya or punahin yung pagiging cold niya, what did you do on your end in order to change?
I may say na hindi ako gumawa ng action to that kasi
Okay.
I have faith in her and constantly I'm praying na maituwid yung pag-iisip niya, na binigay ko yung trust ko.
No, I mean, did you date the girl or somehow did you somehow up your game? Kasi I know that this is your wife and she is a housewife and you're working all the time. So, siguro yung free time mo, you wanted to rest, you already have kids. Kumbaga kasi yung ganitong story, it's a complacent story. It's a story of being too complacent na because she's already your wife and you are providing just about everything sa buhay niya. You already have kids. You are very, sabihin na natin, confident na there's nothing more for you to do as a husband or as a guy in order to woo the girl. Kumbaga, sa isip-isip mo, sa utak-utak mo, what you are already doing as a father, as a provider should be enough in order to keep her. What I'm trying to say is, kahit papaano ba, did you up your game na? Oh, love, ngayong Valentine's Day, anniversary natin, wedding anniversary or birthday mo, let's go out, the two of us lang, kahit na meron na tayong mga anak, we should go on dates pa rin. Kasi andun na yung feeling, Mark, na she is already meeting a lot of people eh. Kumbaga, napupukaw na ng mga groups na to yung attention niya. In order to get her back to the circle, to keep her grounded, kumbaga, to make her stay in the relationship and see the relationship as a family as something na kailangan niyang pagtuunan ng utmost important, you should also, kumbaga, ititikel mo din yung pagkababae nung wife mo, not just plain looking at her as a housewife and a mother of your kids.
Yes, I know that. Mayroon din akong, aaminin kong, meron din akong pagkukulang sa communication. Seldom na ang pagiging yung dating. Kasi we encountered some financial problems. So when we have, nagkakaroon naman kami ng outing, and that's not very often times. Paminsan-minsan lang. So hindi naman ako nagkulang sa madamot sa, let's say, sa in sexual life namin. Hindi naman, pero that's what I feel, that she was already influenced by this social media, opening her eyes that why can you do this, why are you staying with this kind of life. You know, Lala, what a company could say to you when they are in the situation, they have experiences of knowing, of getting relationship with other
pero that's what I want you to understand kasi, love, if that's not exactly what your wife is feeling, even if sabihin pa yun ng mga tao, she won't be affected. Pero ang thing kasi dito, Mark, nararamdaman niya na yun eh. I'm not saying the lack of performance sa bed or yung sex life ninyo, but yung something deeper than that, something more intimate than that, and that is you being a partner to your wife. Yun yung lacking kasi, na medyo nakalimutan nating part, at aminado ka nga doon, sabi mo nga na medyo may pagkukulang ka doon sa area na yun. That's what I'm trying to make you understand, na even if yung mga kaibigan niyang bago, na sabihin na natin naglibang sa kanya, nakapaglibang sa kanya, being a housewife, she tried to venture on group chats in order to belong to the outside world. Kasi nga wala siyang work, wala siyang labas-labas experiences, kasi nga for quite some time naburo siya sa bahay dahil siya nga ay housewife. So what I'm trying to say is, and what I'm trying to make you understand, hindi maimpluwensyahan niyang asawa mo if hindi niya na nararamdaman yon or hindi niya pa nararamdaman yon. Kumbaga yung effort lang, yung need lang for her to open up yung mga ganyong klaseng problema ng household ninyo, problema ng bahay ninyo, to those people na tinatawag mong strangers, but for her is company, it's already a cry for help.
Yes, I know that. I understand that.
So after ng sabihin na natin pag-go out niya dito, did she eventually end up with someone? Was the cause of the breakup a third party?
Yes, it leads to a breakup wherein she actually flushed me out of the home we know, with the house we know. So to myself, I don't want the kids to see how she treated me negatively, and those good to see by the child. I flush myself to outside the house.
So ikaw na mismo yung lumayas, ganon?
Inanin niya eh. Ini-request na niya maging malaya siya eh.
Okay. So she wanted a breakup. Oo, she wanted a breakup, so ikaw na yung nag-initiate na sige, ako na lang yung alis.
Dahil ayokong makita ng mga musmos pang bata na ganun ang treatment. Hindi na maganda yung treatment sa akin eh. Hindi na ganun, parang may wala ng respect, bastos na. So okay sana kung maganda yung hindi na maganda yung pinapakita sa akin eh. All I wanted is for their good, tsaka yung ma-provide ko sa kanila what I can do, yung ikabubuti nila. That's all what I have in mind. But through all these socials, ganun ang naging attitude na niya toward sa akin.
Okay.
So, she flushed me out where I think it's good na hindi makita ng mga bata, ganun, para hindi sila matroma. Gumanon ako. Nagkaroon kami ng partition. At the time I worked na magkaroon ng mga property,
Mhm.
Para ma-start po sana ang aking next chapter sa life.
Mhm.
From that time, nung medyo may partition na kami, I can visit my child. She allows me,
Mhm.
but I didn't tell her what I am providing. That property is a property for them. Till the time I open up to her na meron na akong ganitong property, that it can be pwede nang siyang matirhan. Nag-change ang attitude niya na parang, okay, I will help you. Okay. To the point na this property, nandun na sila. Sila na nandun. Tumira na sila.
Mm.
I thought it's okay na nandun na sila, na nakikita ko na yung child ko, pero that moment na meron na siyang fiancé outside other nationality,
Okay.
which nakilala sa social media.
Okay.
With my consent, alam ko na hindi tama. Pero binibigay ko lang yung kaya kong i-provide at ibigay sa kanila na makakabuti.
Hindi, ang hindi ko nagigets, anong consent yun sinasabi mo na nag-yes ka to that kind of a relationship na meron siyang fiancé?
Yes.
Ah, okay. So you agreed to it? Na, sige, okay lang. Magkaroon ka ng someone. Magkaroon ka ng quote-unquote fiancé.
Yes, kasi binigyan ko naman na siya ng laya. That's what she wants.
Mhm. Okay, so, after nun,
so they were living in my property na, but this guy, this fiancé of hers, is not yet in the it's outside the country. It's not yet, they haven't met personally.
okay.
Yes.
So-
But now,
Okay. So, anong issue, love? I mean, if, kumbaga, nag-usap naman kayo ng maayos and you said yes to almost everything na hiniling niya, humiling siya ng kalayaan, you gave it to her, sinabi niya sa'yo na I am in a relationship with someone already or I'll be in a relationship with someone already, you said okay. So, ano yung problema ngayon, mahal ko?
ang problem lang is yung property which I provided to them, which later on hindi naman ako madamot, for them pa rin naman yun. Ako yung parang flash out niya pa rin doon sa property.
Yung property na pinag-uusapan natin is yung bahay.
Yes.
Yung bahay lang. Other than that, what else?
Yung treatment pa rin niya sa akin, lalong nag-aggregate yung lalong naging maganda lalo.
Okay, paano hindi naging maganda lalo? Kasi, love, kumbaga, if you want her to be sweet with you, yan ang isang bagay na hindi niya na kayang gawin kasi she is already in a relationship with someone else. Ngayon, kung sinasabi mong masungit siya sa'yo, that's none of your concern kasi ang concern mo naman talaga doon sa bahay na yon ay yung mga bagets. Kasi sabi mo, it gave you a chance to see them more often, ng mas madalas. So, kung paano man siya towards you, it shouldn't bother you already. Kasi alam mo na wala na rin naman kayo. So, kung ano yung iaakto niya sa'yo, wala na rin namang bearing. Unless ikaw pa rin nagpo-provide ng everything niya. Kasi sa mga bata, magigets ko. Pero sa kanya, do you still provide things for her?
Somehow, unlikely, hindi na ganun kasi yung treatment niya sa akin, iba na.
Oh, it shouldn't It shouldn't work that way kasi you guys are separated nga. So, ang pananagutan mo lang, ang responsibilities mo lang ay yung kids Now, if yung house na sinasabi mo ay something na gusto mong mabawi, if it's under your name, sa'yo naman talaga yung bahay. It's under her name.
Hindi naman. Hindi ko na, para sa kanila naman na yun.
Ayun, o kung wala ka rin naman balak bawiin, what bothers you now? Kung ganun siya sa'yo, hayaan mo. Kumbaga, isipin mo na lang, Mark, na this is the point of no return. Andito na ako sa point of no return. I can never get that girl back. So, I can never expect her as well to be, sabihin natin, nice with me, sweet with me, pero all I'm asking ay siguro maging civil siya with me. And that maybe I can ask her na, I don't want you to act like you're still my wife kasi alam ko na naman sa sarili ko na you are no longer my wife and I have to know my place in your life. That is the father of your kids, nothing more. I'm not gonna be a husband to you anymore. All I'm asking is maging civil tayo sa kapakanan ng mga bagets, sa kapakanan ng mga bata. Yun lang naman yung hinihiling ko, nothing more.
That's what I'm looking for her. That respect, that leniency, that as more civil, not to the point of until now, words coming out from her mouth, this not hindi na maganda.
Oo,
kahit nakaharap yung mga kids, it's not good.
Ano pa bang pinuputok ng butsi niya? Nakuha niya na lahat ng gusto niya. She got her freedom. She is now in a relationship with someone. Ano pa bang iniiyak niya o niyayaw-yaw niya sa'yo whenever you guys are together?
All the blames throwing out to me.
So parang ikaw may kasalanan ng lahat, hindi dapat ganito yung buhay natin kung wala ka pa. Let her be. Kasi yan yung niya eh. Kumbaga, sabihin na natin, Mark, pwede mo siyang tanungin one last time. Na you got what you wanted. You asked for it, you got it. I gave you a house you can live in. Nagpo-provide pa din ako sa mga kids. You got your freedom. Tapos, hindi na rin naman ako nag-contest na meron ka ng fiancé. Though, in fact, kaya ko yung i-counter sa batas. I can do that kasi you are still my wife and we are not yet annulled. Pwede ko pa yung i-counter eh. Pero hindi ko yun gagawin for the sake of the kids. Now, itong mga sinasabi mo sa akin, what is this all about? Kasi dalawa lang to, Mark eh. It's either she's doing all this circus just to get your attention in order na ma-force ka to initiate something for her. Like for example, court her again, habulin mo siya, sabihin mo sa kanya na you still want her back, sabihin mo sa kanya na let's try it again. That's one. Or second, baliw lang talaga si ate. Kasi yun na lang yung nakikita ko talagang valid reason as to why she keeps on mumbling about it eh. Yung lahat ng nagawa mo in the past kasi she got what she wanted already eh. So kung pagtatagni-tagniin mo yung puzzle or yung storya, the only reason kung bakit pumuputok yung butsi niya is because up until this moment, Mark, wala siyang nakukuhang reaction out of you. Nakikita mo lahat ng pagpupumiglas niya as something negative and not really a cry for, hey Mark, ano pa bang gusto mong sabihin ko sa'yo? Gusto mo ba sabihin ko pa sa'yo, habulin mo na ako? Sabihin mo sa akin na let's start over again. Sabihin mo sa akin na makipag-break ako dito sa boyfriend ko and live with you again. Kumbaga, alam mo yun Mark, kasi may mga galawan ng mga babae na dahil ilang beses na nilang sinabi sa inyo or sa'yo what she wanted and you've done nothing about it. Itong huli-huli na to, itong dulo na to, meron na siyang present sa'yo na fiancé and yet ang sagot mo pa rin ay okay. Alam mo yun? Yung parang, yung feeling lang na ano ba tong lalaking to? Ilang signal pa ba yung bibigay ko dito? Ilang signs ba pwedeng ibigay dito sa lalaking to? Para malaman niya na, di ka ba natatakot mawala ako sa buhay ko? Ay, buhay mo? Parang lahat na lang sa'yo, okay lang, okay lang, okay lang. Nag-ask ako ng freedom, di ka man lang nagsabi na, wag. Try pa natin. Ayusin natin. Ano bang pagkakamali? Ano bang pwede natin gawin? Mag-usap tayong walang ganun, Marky. You just said okay to almost everything. That's the reason why hanggang siguro ngayon, siguro that's the reason why hanggang ngayon, adjit na adjit sa'yo si ate. Kasi you let her go that easily, Mark. Just how you neglected her for the past few years.
To the point of monitoring my moves, to the point of letting me not to have a contact with my siblings, to the point of taking my accounts and letting her to see everything I do in life. She's doing that to me. She's as if she's torturing me. That as if she only has life na ako lang ang gaganito, ako lang ang mabubuhay. Ikaw, ibigay niya na yung
Mark,
yung miserable buhay.
Mark, hindi mo kasi nagiget yung point ko. Nakikita mo lang kasi lahat ng mga pangit na ginawa niya. Pero, yun nga sometimes you have to read between the lines. Si ate ay nagpapapampam. If there's one thing na I know na alam mo, she lacks attention. And that attention is from you. She wants the attention from you. So lahat ng mga bagay na sinabi mo, tignan mo kung ano yung something in common. Lahat ng yon, ginagawa niya for you to notice her. But then again, you are noticing her in a very, very bad way. Ang lagi mong nagiging counter sa ginagawa niya ay galit, puot, panunumbat, pagsisisi, yung mga ganun, pero hindi mo siya nakita na parang, kung titignan mo, para siyang bagets, no? Gustong-gusto niya atensyon. Gustong-gusto niya na sa kanya nakafocus yung mata ko. Bakit kaya? Kasi kulang na kulang si lambing, pero that's too late now That's too late now. So all you can ask her now is, what do you want? For the last time, what do you want? Kasi ako, this is what I want. Sabihin mo sa kanya kung ano yung gusto mo, kung ano yung nasa puso mo. For once in your life, tell her something about how you feel. Tell her something about your opinion about the situation. Tell her something about what happened sa storya ninyong dalawa. You let her talk, you let her decide, you let her opinion out, but you never gave yours. And maybe that's what's lacking doon sa mga nangyari sa inyo. Because you never stopped her. You never told her na, hey, kung alam mo lang nagsiselos ako dun sa mga kagrupo mong yun Hindi ko lang mailabas kasi maybe I'm not that type of a person na nagsasabi ng nararamdaman. Maybe I'm not that expressive, but then, hey, for what it's worth, yes, nagsiselos ako. And dito, sa bago mong fiancé, it hurts. Why? Kasi feeling ko kaya pa Yung binigay ko yung bahay na yan sa inyo, I was hoping na this time we can start over again with that new house. Maybe that will impress you and you'll come back to me. Those are the words that could have fixed or fix kung ano yung na-broke sa inyong dalawa. Pero those were the words she never heard. Those were the words and lines na hindi niya nakuha from you. Because all you have ever seen ay yung mga ginagawa niyang mali, and then na ikaw lang lagi ang agrabyado. Naiintindihan mo ko, Mark? There's a message between everything she is doing. I'm not saying this because I am a girl. I'm saying this because I can see it. All her life, yung sinasabi mong hell, torture, that was her cries for help. Cries for you to give her attention. She was calling out your name in a very subtle way. Ayaw niya lang sigurong sabihin na, Mark, sa totoo lang, kung magiging literal ako at prangka dito, nabababa na yung pagkatao ko, kulang na lang sabihin ko sa'yo, pansinin mo ko, i-date mo ko, iparamdam mo sa akin mahal mo ko, iparamdam mo sa akin na takot kang mawala ako, iparamdam mo sa akin na parte ako ng buhay mo at malaking impact ko dyan sa puso mo na kapag nawala ako sa buhay mo, ang laking hole yung mangyayari dyan sa puso mo. Kulang na lang sabihin niya lahat ng linyang yun, Mark. Those were the words and the interpretations you never saw. Kasi fixated ka lang sa kung ano yung nararamdaman mo. Fixated ka lang sa kung ano yung quote-unquote pang-aapi niya sa'yo. Pero you never get to see her asking for you, begging for you to notice her. Now, nagigets mo na ako?
Gets ko na, Lala.
Love, ganito, no? I can only see two way. Dalawang way na lang to. But, sabihin ko yan sa'yo sa pagbabalik natin. Okay lang, bahang muna kita, Mark, for a few minutes lang. Few minutes, okay? Ngayon, Mark, sabi ko nga, as I was saying kanina, I only see two things sa, two outcome pala sa situation ninyong dalawa. Once you open up, once you tell her how you feel, yung exactly how you feel. If you were hurt, if you were jealous, if you are in pain, you tell her that. If gagawin mo yon, one, maybe there's a chance na mag-reconcile kayong dalawa. Kasi I think you still do love her. I think you still want your family back. Kasi hindi ka magiging ganyan ka open sa idea of giving her and providing for her and the family kung hindi ka ganon ka-hoping pa din na magkabalikan kayo. Kasi she's the love of your life. Whether we admit it or not, alam ko sa sarili ko, dama ko from you, na mahal mo yung tao. And second is that mas magiging civil siya sa'yo. Even if wala na kayong pag-asa, kasi maybe what she had with that quote-unquote fiancé of hers ay totoo, mas magiging civil siya sa'yo. Kasi this time around, naiintindihan ka na niya. This time around, siguro makukuha niya na yung bagay na hinihingi niya dati pa. And that's for honesty to come out from you, from Mark, from her former partner, from someone who was and who still is in love with her. Nakuha niya. Yan kasi hinihintay niya before siguro, Mark. Ito yung inaasam-asam niya, yung marinig mula sa'yo, because I don't think you are the type of a person na very expressive sa nararamdaman mo, and siguro words are not really your best, sabihin na natin, best weapon.
Yes, I do more in action than
Yes. Yun nga eh. You do things for love, yung providing part, that's actions eh. Pero even if pinaparamdam mo, kasi it won't hurt if every once in a while mapaparinig mo din dun sa tao eh. Kasi not everything na ginagawa natin is exactly what we mean. Mas mabilis tayong may misinterpret actually sa gawa kesa sa salita. O diba? Parang ang dali iparamdam sa'yo na may gusto ko sa'yo. Pero, in order for you to clarify or to verify kung totoo yung nakukuha mong mensaheng gusto kita, you want to hear it from me. So, that's exactly sometimes how love goes. It's some sort of a balance, Mark. You have to maintain that balance. You are very, sabihin na natin, vocal with what you feel, and both at the same time, you are a man of action. Balanse pagdating sa relationship with someone. Lalo na kung someone you are bound to grow old with, dapat hindi tayo magiging complacent na hindi pa ba obvious na mahal kita? Ginagawa ko lahat ng to. Sometimes kasi girls stay in the relationship not just because she felt na she is being provided with everything, but because she knows, she heard na she was being provided all these things to make her feel loved, valued, and treasured. Kumbaga, yun yung some sort of a balance na hindi natin na-maintain before, Mark. So, this time around, you have two outputs or possible outcome nitong situation ninyong dalawa only if this time around, kapag nakipag-usap ka sa kanya, you tell her the truth. Yung real truth. Hardcore truth, Mark. Kumbaga, i-unveil mo sa kanya yung sarili mo. You let go of this, sabihin na natin, egoistic side of Mark Yan, let go natin yung hard case mo. Pakita mo yung pagka-softy mo sa kanya so that she will understand. Both of the outcome are positive, Mark. Yung both outcome na yan, pareho yang favorable sa gusto mong mangyari. So, ikaw yung bahalang gumawa ng paraan in order na makamit mo yon. Just try to unveil yourself to her. Okay?
Okay, Lala.
Ngayon na, kung meron kang gustong ibigay na mensahe, wag na lang sa kanya. I'll keep that part in person mo na lang gawin sa kanya so that it will mean more special to you. Ano na lang mensahe mo sa mga anak mo? Sa mga anak mo na for the longest time, sa relationship ninyong dalawa, alam kong prinotektahan mo. Anong gusto mong sabihin sa kanila?
Gusto kong sabihin na mahal na mahal ko sila at lahat ng gagawin ko para sa kanila, para sa ikabubuti nila. Yun lang ang aking hinahangad with prayers. Yun lang po.
Mark, you can do it, love. I've met a lot of guy like you na sobrang enclosed sa hard case. Sometimes you just have to maintain a balance, create a balance. And you are not a bad guy. You are a great guy. I just want you to know that.
I keep all the pain and not showing it up.
Do not. You have all the right na ipakita yung mga yan and no one will judge you for it. In fact, they will love you more for it. Kasi they see yung value nila through those fear. Nakikita nila yung kahalagahan nila dyan sa softy side mo. So, Mark, you are not a bad person. You are not a bad husband. You are not a bad father. Well, in fact, you are a great one. You just have to express yourself the same way. Kasi misinterpret na nila itong pagiging hardcore provider mo and hardcore guy mo. Okay?
Okay, Lala.
Maraming salamat for calling my show, Mark, and I appreciate it. You unveiling yourself to me. I just hope that your wife or former wife, ex-wife, can see you the way I do. Kasi if she does, she would want you back. So maraming salamat, Mark, for calling my show.
Thank you, Lala.
Thank you. Diba mga kabisyo, hindi naman po kasi kabawasan sa pagkalalaki ninyo if ipapakita ninyo yung softy side ninyo. Katulad nga po ng sinabi ko kay Mark, minsan kasi yan yung sumasalamin sa takot ninyong mawala kami. At yun naman yung sumasalamin sa value namin sa buhay ninyo. Kapag every once in a while, nasasabi niyo yung mga salita na yan sa amin na, uy, medyo selos ako, uy, labas naman tayo, uy, date naman tayo, namimiss na kita. Even if you guys live together, even if you guys do have kids together, you still have to be romantic. And you still have to be vocal. Even more so kasi partners na kayo in life. You want to maintain that family, you want to sustain yung strength ng family ninyo, then have a good romantic relationship with your partner. And that will happen. Kasi kayong dalawa yung nagdadala ng pamilyang yan eh. Kayong dalawa yung nagiging key kung bakit successful and intact yung pamilyang yan. So might as well do some effort, go the extra mile para i-maintain yung romantic relationship na yan. I know life is exhausting, ang daming problema, ang daming kailangan i-provide, walang masyadong pera, mahirap kumita ng pera, but that's not gonna change tomorrow. Pero your relationship can tarnish each and every day kapag hindi mo na aalagaan. Hindi na uubos ang problema pag mahal ko. Hindi na uubos ang gastos, mahal ko. Ay, Diyos ko, Lord. It's never ending. As long as you are living, tuloy-tuloy yan. But one thing is for sure, you would want your partner with you as you go through it for a lifetime. So again, in order for you guys to have a happy family for the rest of your life, love your partner. Tell them you love them and show them that you do love them. Create a strong romantic relationship with your partner. promise, guys, it's the key to a happy family.